Good morning. Welcome to our company. My name is Georgina Moreno. There are many brands in the marketplace. Today, choose the best brand. Mascar, Percar, Mascar. Mascar is more comfortable than Bella. Mas is cheaper than Bella. Mas has the best warranty in America. Mas sells more than Bella. Mas is easier to maintain than Bella. Bella. Bella is the most expensive in Colombia. Bella is more luxury than Max. Bella is faster than Max. Bella is safer than Max. Bella is the nicest in the world. Now you have Max and Bella to decide. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you choose the best option for you and family. If you had any question, you ask me.